Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Temu credit balance to pay. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access your Temu account. So sign in into your Temu account on their official website or through their mobile app. Ensure that you have a Temu credit balance available in your account. The following step is to add items to your cart. Browse through the available products or services offered by Temu and select the items you wish to purchase. Add them to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart or similar button. The next step is to proceed to checkout. So once you have added all the desired items to your cart, navigate to the checkout page, look for a checkout or proceed to checkout button and click on it to continue with the payment process. The fourth step is to select Temu credit as the payment method. So on the payment page you should see a list of available payment methods. Look for the option to use your Temu credit balance for the payment. This option may be labeled as pay with Temu credit or use credit balance or something similar of this kind. Select this payment method. The last step is to complete the purchase. So after selecting the Temu credit payment option, review your order details and ensure that everything is accurate. So if everything looks correct, follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Your Temu credit balance will be applied to the total amount due and any remaining balance if applicable, and it can be paid through other accepted payment methods as well. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.